kids, today we're playing Kaiju Paradise for the third episode of the cooking series. Today I have a new chef with me. Elwood, say hi! Elwood, say hi now. Oh, are you on a PC? If you're on a PC, it shouldn't take that long. Oh, hi, there. Today we will make pizza! Let's go! So, first ingredient of a pizza is bread. Wait, what? Out of what? Oh, what? Out of. Man. Well, now we need dough, so let's go get some dough. No, you stay here. No, you stay here for now. Okay. Now time to get some dough. My mouth. Okay, now I got it. It's not uranium-235, trust me. It's totally not uranium. Okay. How many burgers do you have? I did the wrong thing. So now we need tomatoes.
Well, you coming?
Where?
Why to the...
I found Wait, did you?
You coming?
You found dough. No. Now I'll use my dough for now. Oh yes, some nice tomatoes. Now to get the tomatoes out of this guy! No, give me my tomatoes! Yeah, give me your tomatoes! Right now! Give me tomatoes! Yes, tomatoes. Thank you. Dispose the evidence. I got the tomatoes. Tomato. Alright. Tomato, not apple. Give the hees. No, not the guns! Ah! Okay, I can just stay there, I guess. Ah! I timed it to a furry! Okay. Guess Now we need one VR from VR nonsense. No! What? Yes! Now we got the VR, we need to put it all in the oven with a frying pan. And everyone knows, if they've watched the last video, that frying pans look like this. And anyways, put it all together and we go. And now we have pizza. We made pizza. No, we didn't. It wasn't correct pizza. What the f- I had the pizza. One second. Let me go get the ingredients again. That's better. Now, put it in the frying pan, and then we get, drum roll please, pizza! Now we got the pizza. I'm gonna try. What? I'm just very glad there's no uranium-235 in this. It tastes like uranium-235. Oh, I had a sly in my back pocket. A slice in my back pocket. I think it went bad. Well, anyways, that was a fun video. Wait, why do I feel something in my tummy? I threw up pizza. Ooh, pizza! Ow.